Hello, stupendous second graders. Welcome to Economics Day 2. Today we're going to be talking about counting money. Make sure that you come back and watch the videos in these slides too, because there are some links that I will not show. Let's review our money poems. My first one is a penny. I'll say it first, and when I say it the second time, I want you to read it with me. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Now your turn. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. When I count by pennies, what do I count by? I count by ones. Next is the nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5, I know that. This time I want you to read with me. Let's go. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5, I know that. When I count nickels, what do I count by? Think about how much a nickel is worth. When we count nickels, we count by fives. Like 5, 10, 15, 20. You guys already know this. Next are dimes. Dime, dime, small and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Make sure you read with me this time. Dime, dime, small and thin. I remember you're worth 10. When I count dimes, what do I count by? Think about how much a dime is worth. We count by tens. And that's super easy. We already know how to do that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Last is quarters. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. Read with me this time. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. When I count quarters, what do I count by? Think about how much a quarter is worth. When we count quarters, we count by 25s, like 25, 50, 75, 100. When you come back to these slides, make sure you click right here to watch an awesome video of Miss Atako practicing how to skip count quarters. When you come back to these slides, you're going to click right here to watch Miss Lassiter teach you how to count money. And last, you can take a little dance break and then test what you know with these two games. For extra practice, ask your parents if you can count their coins, or if you get an allowance or you have any birthday money, you can practice counting that too. Remember, we start with the coin that's worth the most. So we would start with quarters, then dimes, then nickels, then pennies. If you had any dollar bills, you would start with those first. All right, second graders.